Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another product review video, and this is all focused on skincare. And I recently won some of these in a contest, and I wanted to see just how well these face masks work. So the one that I'm going to try today is the pomegranate mask sheet, and this is from Moly. And so I'm gonna try this face sheet and let you guys know how it works for me. And it smells good. It does smell like pomegranate. It has a really, really fresh scent. So. Hell on earth trying to get this that little part to peel back. Okay, now we're cooking with grease. Okay, so it fits over the face pretty well. So I'm gonna let this sit for 20 minutes and come back and give you guys my review. 20 minutes have passed, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this mask. Whew. It feels good. I'm gonna rub this in. My skin feels fresh and doughy. Definitely something that I will use again. The next one I'm going to use in the future is going to be the one for purifying your skin. So yeah, I definitely give Tony Moly's face mask a 10 out of 10. Give it a thumbs up because the entire time that I had the mask on, it had this really cool sensation. It felt like it was really penetrating into my skin. And of course, it has left it really dewy. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll have some more reviews in the future. And until then, every Wednesday I post my freebies and wins videos, so you guys be on the lookout for those, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.